golden sun kisses the sea, bringing your smile back to me. Every breeze whispers your name, filling my heart with a gentle flame. From the first time our eyes met, you've been my sweetest sunset. Every laugh, every embrace feels like heaven's quiet place. Though we've crossed both joy and rain, love has washed away the pain. Every step has led us here, holding dreams forever near. Forever starts tonight with you. Every promise feels brand new. Hand in hand we'll face the dawn, knowing love keeps leading on. When the stars light up the sky, hope will never say goodbye. Every heartbeat tells me true, my forever lives with you. There were moments filled with doubt, clouds that try to block us out. Still forgiveness found a way, turning night into the day. Like the river finds the sea, you are home inside of me. Every sunrise softly shows the strongest love is love that grows. Every season, every year brings our faithful hearts more near. Every prayer and every smile makes forever feel worthwhile. Forever starts tonight with you. Every promise feels brand new. Hand in hand we'll face the dawn, knowing love keeps leading on. When the stars light up the sky, hope will never say goodbye. Every heartbeat tells me true, my forever lives with you. If tomorrow brings the rain, we'll still dance through every change. Time may gently write its song, still our love keeps growing strong. Every dream we dare to chase finds its home within your grace. Nothing in this world can move a heart that's rooted deep in truth. Forever starts tonight with you. Every sunrise paints us new. Every kiss becomes a prayer. Every moment shows you care. Side by side we'll always stand, building dreams with heart and hand. Through the years our love will prove forever blooms where hearts choose love. Whoa, forever starts tonight. Love keeps shining. Hold me close, never let go. Forever, forever, forever. The evening breeze still calls your name, though every sunset feels the same. The waves keep dancing to the shore, as if they're waiting just like before. Every star lights up the sky, carrying dreams that never die. Though your you're far beyond my sight. Your love still guides me through the night. Every memory softly glows like a flower that still grows. Though the distance fills the air, I still feel your presence there. Until you return to my arms again, I'll keep believing love will win. Every heartbeat speaks your name, forever burning like a flame. Hope will carry me each day, lighting every step I take. No matter how the seasons turn, my heart will wait until you return. There were moments filled with tears, lonely nights and silent fears. Still forgiveness found its place, wrapping sorrow into grace. Every promise that we made lies beyond the passing days. Like the sunrise greets the sea, your love keeps awakening me. Every prayer I softly send asks for us to meet again. Hope keeps shining in my soul, making broken pieces whole. Until you return to my arms again, I'll keep believing love will win. Every heartbeat speaks your name, forever burning like a flame. Hope will carry me each day, lighting every step I take. No matter how the seasons turn, my heart will wait until you return. If tomorrow brings the rain, love will wash away the pain. Like the river finds the sea, you'll always find your way to me. Time may travel far and wide, still our hearts beat side by side. Nothing changes what is true. My forever lives with you. Until you return once more, I'll be waiting by the shore. Every sunrise gives me faith, love is never lost to fate. Hand in hand we'll stand again, hearts restored through joy and pain. From this day until forever, our love will shine through every weather. Oh, I'll be waiting. Love keeps calling through the night, forever yours. Till you return. And Drop Rhyme introduces the progression. Soft skank guitars enter with ocean ambience. Along in today's chimes after 4 bars. Light shakers and gentle horn pads establish the atmosphere. Keep the range in intimate and spacious. One drop groove remains enhanced. Organ sustain support the lead vocal. Soft guitar feels strong to the middle. sun lights up the sea. A brand new chapter waits for me. Then your smile came into view, and every dream began with you. Like the breeze through island trees, you brought my restless heart to peace. Every moment, every kiss reminds me life was made for this. Though we've known the wind and rain, love has healed our every pain. Every lesson made us strong, showing where our hearts belong. Together we rise, together we shine. Your heart forever walks with mine. Every sunrise tells our story. Every step reflects love's glory. When the world keeps turning fast, we'll build a love that's made to last. Hand in hand through every time, hope and love will be our guide.
There were nights of silent fears, questions whispered through the years. Still forgiveness found a way, bringing brighter skies each day. Now tomorrow feels brand new. Every road still leads to you. Like the river finds the sea, you're where I'm meant to be.
Every promise that we share shows how deeply we both care. Hope keeps dancing in your eyes, brighter than the evening skies. Together we rise, together we shine. Your heart forever walks with mine. Every sunrise tells our story. Every step reflects love's glory. When the world keeps turning fast, we'll build a love that's made to last. Hand in hand through every time, hope and love will be our guide.
If tomorrow brings the rain, we'll still dance through every change. Time may ride upon our days, but never steal our loving ways.
Every season helps us grow, teaching what true lovers know. Forever isn't far away, it's the love we choose each day. Together we rise, together we stand, building dreams with heart and hand. Every sunrise lights our way, love grows stronger every day. From this moment until then, I'll choose your heart again and again. Hope will always lead us through. My forever begins with you. Oh, together we rise, ever quit shining, ever true. Forever you. Yesterday has brought us pain. Like the sunrise meets the sea, your love still reaches out to me. There were moments filled with doubt, times we almost turned around. takes me back to you. Every tear became a stream, flowing toward a brighter dream. Hope kept calling through the night, leading us back to the light. Never let love fade away. Hold my heart another day. Every promise we restore makes us stronger than before. When forgiveness fills the air, may discover love is there. Hand in hand we'll always stand, building dreams across the sand. Every scar has taught us grace. Every smile has found its place. Clouds may cover skies above, but they cannot hide true love. Like the river finds the sea, you are where I'm meant to be. Every sunrise brings us hope, giving both our hearts room to grow. Time has shown what matters most. Love remains through every storm. With your hand inside of mine, every moment feels divine. Never let love fade away. Hold my heart another day. Every promise we restore makes us stronger than before. When forgiveness fills the air, we discover love is there. Hand in hand we'll always stand, building dreams across the sand. If tomorrow brings the rain, we'll still dance through every chain. If the winds begin to blow, our love will always gently grow. Every season, every year, brings our faithful hearts more near. Nothing time could ever do could steal my love away from you. Never let love fade away. Choose each other while gentle waves reach for the sky. Your quiet touch calms every fear, like whispered hope that draws me near. Every shadow fades away when your smile begins to stay. In your arms I found a place, wrapped inside a midnight embrace. Though the road has tested us, love has never given up. Every tear became a stream, leading back to our shared dream. Oh, hold me through the quiet night, be the warmth that feels so right. Every heartbeat softly says, love will light our darkest days. When tomorrow greets the dawn, we'll discover we've grown strong. Hand in hand our hearts will stay, choosing love in every way. There were words we couldn't find, heavy clouds upon our minds. Still forgiveness found the key, setting every burden free. Now the stars seem closer still, resting high above the hills. Every promise that we keep makes our roots grow strong and deep. Hope is glowing in your eyes, brighter than the midnight skies. Every prayer and every smile makes forever feel worthwhile. Oh, hold me through the quiet night, be the warmth that feels so right. Every heartbeat softly says, love will light our darkest days. When tomorrow greets the dawn, we'll discover we've grown strong. Hand in hand our hearts will stay, choosing love in every way. If the evening brings the rain, we'll still dance through every change. Like the ocean meets the shore, I'll keep loving you much more. Time may ride upon our days, silver threads and gentle grace. Still my heart will always sing, you're my sweetest melody. Hold me through the quiet night, fill my soul with morning light. Every promise that we share builds a love beyond compare. From this moment hand in hand, we'll write dreams across the sand. Every sunrise starts anew, and every road leads back to you. Oh, stay close tonight, love shines softly. Morning will come, forever begins with you.
Arrange and Piano introduces the progression. Soft skank guitars enter with ambient percussion. Bass glides in with a melodic pickup. Organ pads and subtle ocean ambience create a late night atmosphere.
Keep the arrangement intimate and spacious. Bass carries the melodic pulse while the one-drop groove remains relaxed. Organ sustain support the vocal. Stops guitar feel answer the lead melody. Layer art has tested us. Love has never given up. Your face in gold, the story only love has told. Every smile you softly share fills the morning with a prayer. Like the breeze across the sea, your gentle heart keeps calling me. Every step we choose to take is another dream we make. Though we've walked through storms before, love keeps opening every door. Every scar has helped us see how beautiful forever can be. Right here beside you is where I belong. Your love is the place that keeps me strong. Every heartbeat, every kiss reminds me life can feel like this. Hold my hand through every season. You're my hope and every reason. No matter where tomorrow leads, our love will bloom like growing trees. That hid the summer rain, still forgiveness found the light, leading us back home tonight. Now each sunset softly glows like a garden blooming slow. Every promise that we keep plants a love forever deep. Every laugh and every tear brings our hearts forever near. Hope keeps dancing in your eyes, brighter than the evening sky. Right here beside you is where I belong. Your love is the place that keeps me strong. Every heartbeat, every kiss reminds me life can feel like this. Hold my hand through every season. You're my hope and every reason. No matter where tomorrow leads, our love will bloom like growing trees. Cold one day, love will always find its way. Like the river finds the sea, you are home inside of me. Every sunrise starts anew, every road still leads to you. Nothing time could ever do could change the love I found in you. Right here beside you I will stay, choosing love every single day. Every promise, every smile makes forever feel worthwhile. Hope will guide us hand in hand, building dreams across the land. Heart to heart until we're through, my forever begins with you. Oh,
Mainstream Yan introduces the main progression. Soft skank guitar enters on the off biz. Melodic plays joins after 4 bars. Gentle percussion and light horn pads set the atmosphere. Keep installation to this. One drop groove remains relaxed and steady. Organ supports the lead vocal with warm sustained chords. Guitar fills respond delicately to the vocal phrases.
Softly washing yesterday's pain. Every heartbeat found its place, wrapped inside your warm embrace. Every little word you say turns the darkest skies to day. Like the river meets the sea, your love keeps flowing over me. Though we stumble now and then, love keeps calling us again. Every lesson made us grow, more than words could ever show. Let's love without pretending, a fire that's never ending. No more walls for us to climb, just your heart forever mine. When the teardrops fade away, we'll greet another brighter day. Hope will always lead us through. My forever starts with you. There were nights of silent fears, hidden dreams and quiet tears. Still forgiveness found the key, setting every feeling free. Every promise that we made is a chance our hearts can take. Every sunrise tells us why love was born to touch the sky. Every season brings new light, turning wrong into what's right. With your hand inside of mine, every moment feels divine. Let's love without pretending, a fire that's never ending. No more walls for us to climb, just your heart forever mine. When the teardrops fade away, we'll greet another brighter day. Hope will always lead us through. My forever starts with you. Time can never steal what's true. Every road comes back to you. Like the moon reflects the sea, your love keeps surrounding me. If Your memory drifts so close to me. Every breeze that softly blows carries whispers only love knows. Miles may stretch beyond our view, still my heart keeps finding you. Every sunrise, every night, your love remains my guiding light. Though the road may wind and bend, our hearts still find their way again. Faith has taught us how to stay, choosing love each passing day. Across the moonlight, love will fly like the stars across the sky. Every heartbeat calls your name, burning with a gentle flame. No distance steals what love has grown. You've made my heart your lasting home. Hand in hand in dreams we roam. Together, love will lead us home. There were moments filled with tears, quiet doubts and hidden fears. Then forgiveness found its song, showing where our hearts belong. Every promise blooms anew, every dawn begins with you. Like the tide returns to shore, I love you even more. Hope is shining in your smile, making every mile worthwhile. Every prayer and every kiss build a lifetime filled with bliss. Across the moonlight, love will fly like the stars across the sky. Every heartbeat calls your name, burning with a gentle flame. No distance steals what love has grown. You've made my heart your lasting home. Hand in hand in dreams we roam. Together, love will lead us home. If the night grows dark and cold, I'll still treasure what we hold. Every season, every year brings our hearts forever longing. Like the river needs the sea, you are every dream to me. Time can never fade the glow of a love that continues to grow. Across the moonlight, we'll remain, dancing through the joy and pain. Every sunrise finds us strong, right where faithful produces the progression. The past consent are softly divided percussion. Yeah. Taking with our every 2 melodic pickup. Gentle hornpipes fading before the vocal. Oh, keep the arrangement intimate. One drop groove remains relaxed. Organ supports the vocal with warm sustained parts. Scarce guitar fills answer the vocal melody. When the morning finds the sea, your gentle smile awakens me. Every whisper, every sigh feels as endless as the sky. You have turned the darkest days into sunlight through the haze. With your heart so kind and true, every dream begins with you. Though we've known the weight of tears and walked through uncertain years, love has always found a way, leading us to brighter days. I'm safe in your love tonight, wrapped in hope and morning light. Every heartbeat says your name, every sunrise feels the same. When the world is standing still, your gentle touch can always heal. Side by side we'll always stay, choosing love in every way.
There were words we couldn't find, clouds that crossed our hearts and minds. Still forgiveness broke the chains, like soft sunshine after rain. Now our laughter fills the air, growing strong in everywhere. Every promise that we keep runs forever true and deep.
Every season helps us grow, teaching what true lovers know. Hand in hand we'll always be, writing our own destiny. I'm safe in your love tonight, wrapped in hope and morning light. Every heartbeat says your name, every sunrise feels the same. When the world is standing still, your gentle touch can always heal. Side by side we'll always stay, choosing love in every way. If the stars should lose their glow, your heart would still light up my road. If the winds should change their song, your love would keep me standing strong. No distance could ever divide the faithful rhythm of our lives. Every breath, each passing day, our love will never fade away. I'm safe in your love always, through the calm and stormy days. Every promise that we share builds a future strong and fair. Heart to heart we'll journey on, like the evening meets the dawn. Forever isn't far away, it's the love we choose each day. Stay with me, hold me close. Love keeps growing like the tide, forever faithful, forever true, safe in your love. Raging down, orchestra with warm sustained chords. Soft skank guitar enters on the offbeats. Bass joins grow melodic pickup before the vocal. Ocean harmonies and light shaders create an inviting atmosphere. Keep the arrangement intimate. Bass and drums establish a relaxed one-drop groove. Organ pads gently support the lead vocal. Stops guitar fills answer key vocal phrases. And laid harmony of tears and walk through uncertain years. Love has always found a way, leading us to brighter days. Lovers Rock Reggae. Morning sunshine paints your smiling gold. Every little touch still warms my soul. Through every season, every rising tide, you became the place where dreams reside. Even when the clouds covered up our skies, hope kept shining brightly in your eyes. Every whispered promise, every gentle kiss reminds me what forever truly is. If the world should turn away, I'll still choose your love each day. Hand in hand we'll find a light, holding on with all our might. Forever in your heart, we'll never drift apart. Love can heal the deepest scars, brighter than 1,000 stars. When the teardrops fall like rain, we'll dance through every pain. Every heartbeat sings a name. Forever love remains. There were moments silence filled the room. Broken dreams began to softly bloom. Forgiveness opened every locked up door, making us much stronger than before. Every sunrise brings another chance, another reason for this sweet romance. No matter where tomorrow leads our way, your love gives me a brighter day. Every state of mind, our souls forever shine. Love is patient, love is true. Every dream begins with you. Time may change the world we see, you'll always be my melody. Forever in your heart, nothing tears us apart. Hope is stronger every day, love will always find a way. With every breath I take, every promise that we make, our forever starts tonight, wrapped inside love's golden light. Carries your name. Every sunrise feels the same. Since you walked into my life, you turned my tears to golden light. Every smile upon your face fills my heart with gentle grace. Like the ocean meets the shore, I keep loving you much more. Though we stumbled on the way, love keeps finding words to say. Every scar has helped us see what forever's meant to be. Love still shines through every storm. one sweet ride, growing stronger over time. Love still shines through every storm, keeping every heartbeat warm. Nothing in this world can break the promises we choose to make. Every sunrise, every night, you'll forever be my light. Side by side we'll always stay, walking toward the road, hand in hand. Sun wakes up the sea, and every wave reminds me gently how your smile became my favorite place. A quiet shelter wrapped in grace, every heartbeat finds your name, though the seasons never stay the same. Still your touch can calm the rain, turning every loss to gain. When the road grows hard to see, your faith keeps reaching out to me. Every promise that we keep runs forever strong and deep. Only love knows where we'll go, through the highs and through the lows, holding on with open hearts. Nothing pulls our souls apart. Every tear becomes a song, teaching us where we belong. Side by side we'll always stand, building dreams with loving hands. There were words we should not say, clouds that stole our skies away. Still forgiveness found the light, leading us back home tonight. Now the stars above agree, love is patient like the sea. Every sunrise brings us more than we've ever known before. Every lesson made us wise, hope still shines within your eyes. With each breath our spirits grow, stronger than we'll two hands. Every mountain, every mile feels much lighter with your smile. Time can never steal what's true. Every road comes back to you. Love has written our refrain like sunshine after gentle rain. Only love knows where we'll go, like a river's endless flow. Every heartbeat speaks your name, burning with a timeless flame. Hope will always light the way, growing stronger every day. From this moment until then, I'll choose your love again and again. Only love grows. Hold me close. Never let go. Forever will shine. Whoa. Forever will shine. Whoa. Morning paints the sky with gold. Your gentle smile never grows old. Every step you take brings peace, turning restless hearts at ease. Like the ocean greets the shore, you give me reasons to love more. In your eyes I see the dawn, a brand new day to journey on.
When the storms begin to rise, you still bring the blue skies. With your heart so brave and true, every dream begins with you.
You're the queen of my sunrise, hope reflected in your eyes. Every heartbeat finds its song, right beside you where I belong. When the world feels cold and gray, your love lights another way. Hand in hand we'll always be, growing into destiny.
We've known moments filled with tears, questions whispered through the years. Still forgiveness found its place, wrapping every wound in grace.
Every promise that we keep plants another dream to reap. Love is stronger than the rain, blooming after every pain.
Every sunset, every dawn shows our love keeps moving on. Faith and kindness lead us through. Every day I choose you.
You're the queen of my sunrise, hope reflected in your eyes. Every heartbeat finds its song, right beside you where I belong.
Love forever never hides. Every promise, every prayer shows me heaven's living there. Through the calm and through the rain, we'll keep dancing once again, side by side until the end. Lover, soulmate, closest friend. Oh, you're the light that fills my day. Every sunrise, every smile, our love keeps shining forever and always.
Russian piano introduces the chord progressions. Soft guitar skanks and ocean ambience set the mood. Bass enters with a lyrical melodic line before the vocal. Keep the groove intimate with bass, drums, guitars, and keeping grace. Let the lead vocal carry emotion. Add gentle harmony responses at the end of each phrase. For lovers rock reggae, it's break harmony with the skies. Flawless times. Right, we can say. Gradually reintroduce horns and ironing to build toward the final chords. A 5/10.
Lighting every winding mile, like the sunrise on the sea. You bring out the best in me. Gentle whispers in the breeze, carry love with perfect ease. Every heartbeat softly knows you're the place my spirit goes. Though we've walked through pouring rain, love has washed away the pain. Every lesson made us strong, right where our two hearts belong. You're brighter than tomorrow, healing every hidden sorrow. When your hand is holding mine, even ordinary moments shine. Love keeps blooming day by day, guiding every step we take. No matter where the road may bend, our forever has no end. There were nights of silent tears, clouded skies and quiet fears. Still forgiveness found the door, making room for something more. Now our dreams begin to grow, like a river steady flow. Every promise that we keep runs forever true and deep. Hope is dancing in your eyes, brighter than the evening skies. Every heart every hidden sorrow. When your hand is holding mine, even ordinary moments shine. Love keeps blooming day by day, guiding every step we take. No matter where the road may bend, our forever has no end. If the stars should fade away, your love would still light every day. If the oceans change their time, I'd still be standing by your side. Every season, every year only brings our hearts more near. Time may change the world we see, but you'll always be home to me. You're brighter than tomorrow.